Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make golden fried prawns in Hamari style. This is a very simple recipe and delicious starter. So to make this, we need fresh prawns. Here we have taken some fresh prawns. Actually, these are river prawns. If you want, you can also take sea prawns. Now we are going to clean these prawns. So first remove the black threads which contains all dust. So you can remove as shown here. You can see it comes out so easily. So remove black threads from all prawns like this. Now give small cuts to prawns as shown here. Because of these cuts, prawns will not change its shape while frying. Now wash our prawns in a water. Three to 4 times. And clean it nicely. Now you can see we washed our prawns nicely. Now just add salt as per taste. Mix it nicely. You can add red chilli powder, which is optional. Now mix it and keep it aside. Now we are going to fry this in an oil. For that we need corn flour, egg batter, and breadcrumbs. For egg batter, we have taken here 2 eggs and added some salt for taste. Now first dip our prawns in a corn flour as shown. Then dip in a egg batter. And then in a breadcrumbs. Now dip again in a egg batter and again coat with red crumbs nicely. Now we are going to fry this in a hot oil at a medium flame. So take oil in a pan and once the oil becomes hot, put our prawns into it. And deep fry for 1 minute from both the sides. or until it becomes golden brown color. Now you can see our prawn is nicely fried. The color also came very nice. It looks so crispy. So like this, fry all prawns using corn flour, egg batter and breadcrumbs. Now you can see here we fried all prawns and it looks so crispy and in golden brown color. Now here our golden fried prawns are ready. We can serve with a Szechuan sauce. Do try this recipe and let us know your feedback, reply, comments, suggestions if any. So if you liked our recipe, do like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.